are the EPSOM-IT Soothing Muscle Lotion Roll-On. These immediately catch my attention because you get Epsom salt relief without having to commit to that full bathing situation, which sometimes you just don't want to do. But okay, so you open this up, and this is a roll-on design, all right? Mess-free and targeted. So with a couple rolls, that's how much comes out. So you're not greasing up your entire leg or your entire thigh or your buttocks when only your knee is being dramatic, okay? That absorbs very quickly and it has 0 scent. Doesn't leave you smelling like a locker room or a spa gone bad. I really like the combination magnesium sulfate and the Arnica. Feels genuinely soothing after workouts or long days. So my daughter uses this after dance, and it helps those tired feet or her tired muscles and joints. Why this stands out as a set, I like there's 2 of them. This is an idea of an Epsom salt bath without all the time needed, the heat or the emotional readiness to actually just take a bath. You just open it up, roll it on, and you're done. The concentrated formula makes this practical for everyday use before bed without that sticky or oily aftermath feeling, unlike we use this after dance, after a long day. This is especially useful for the knees, the calves, the feet, the lower back, you know, those usual suspects. Bottom line, the EPSOM-IT Soothing Muscle Lotion. Smart format, clean formula, and relief that fits into real life. Highly, highly recommend, and we use this all of the time. The opinions in this review are mine based on our real use of the product. The product was provided by the brand for testing.